asking, so are those Bottegas? Hi YouTube, it's Adrienne of Adrienne's House and welcome to my channel. Now today I'm coming at you guys. I just wanted to share one of my Black Friday purchases. So if you're new to my channel, first off, welcome. But if you're not new, I did mention a few videos back that I got rid of about 90% of my handbag collection and I'm basically starting scratch. But I realized I didn't have very many going out bags. Now I have one evening clutch that I did purchase by Louis Vuitton. I'll go ahead and link the link down below in the info bar. But I was missing some metallic bags. Now I've been on the market, I've been taking a look. I didn't know if I necessarily wanted a teeny tiny clutch or an evening bag, you know, I was unsure, but I came across these two that I'm going to share today, and I ended up buying both of them. I bought both the gold and the silver, so let me show you what I got. Here's one. Let's see, let me show you the other. There we go. So I got both gold and silver. So you may be asking, so are those Bottegas? No, they're not. They are, I guess, the Bottega Cloud dupe. Now, come in closer. I was watching a fellow YouTuber and this particular creator said you're not allowed to use dupe if you don't own the real thing. So I had to kind of clutch my pearls on that one. But basically, yes, they are the Bottega Cloud dupe, and I got both, as you can see, the gold and the silver. Now, these are genuine leather. Yes, they are genuine leather. And what I liked is that obviously the original didn't have any distinct logos or markings whatsoever. So yeah, so I mentioned earlier I already have a black evening clutch. So now, depending on my jewelry, I have both the silver and the gold. And I looked at it honestly, like how many times am I truly going to be wearing this handbag out? Probably maybe a handful of times, so I didn't feel that it was necessary to spend, I don't even know what these things run, $1,500, $2,000 for the authentic one, when this one, you know, it's just gonna be a night out. And yeah, so one good thing that I did want to show you is that with both of them, did I mention that they're leather? That was one of the selling points, is that I wanted to make sure that they were leather, because faux leather, we are done with the faux leather days. I don't buy any faux leather anything. Not that I have anything against faux leather, but yeah, fun fact, when I was cleaning out the little part of my wardrobe where I keep my handbags, I lifted up a faux leather handbag and half of the faux leather stuck to the shelf. So no more peeling, genuine leather from this point on. So just like the original, it does come with a strap. Now I took the strap off, but let me take, it also came with the nice stuffing. Let me take that out. Now it came with this little tab. I'm thinking this is just to confirm that it is in fact genuine leather. I mean, it smells like leather. Now I don't know if the inside is leather, but just like the original, if you open it right here, it does kind of have this magnetic closure. And you know, it's pretty strong. Now, the original though does not have the gold interior. And I know the original obviously has, I guess, the maker's mark right there. So since this one is a dupe, it doesn't have anything, but that's okay. I'm not a fan. This is not going to be a logo channel. I'm not a fan of logos. Let me show you the silver one. Same thing goes inside. You open it up. Of course, I'm going to keep the stuffing. It's the perfect size. But again, it came with this little tab right here, I guess, just to confirm that it's leather. And then the inside has the silver interior as well. Now, going back to the original Bottegas, I know they had two types of metallic. I believe they have this, you know, crinkle style metallic, and there was also some that had some texture on it. It kind of reminded me of the Louis Vuitton, almost like that epi leather, that graining on it. almost like, you know, like a wood grain type of texture. I'll go ahead and insert some pictures here, but I knew I didn't want that one. I definitely knew that I wanted these crinkle ones. Just, I don't know, just to go with more. Now, one thing that I was nervous about, and for good reason, was this shade of gold. This is actually a very, very gold. Again, if you have seen some of my other videos, I was on the fence about some gold boots, and I ended up buying a pair of gold boots. And again, I'll insert a picture here. This gold does not match the gold boots that I ended up purchasing. So that's kind of a bummer. I'll probably still wear it together. It's not an exact match, but you know, the silver, can't go wrong with the silver. Again, I purchased some silver boots and they do go perfectly. Also, one of the main reasons why I decided on this larger one, I'm gonna show you. Give me 1 second. All right, so one of the reasons why I decided to go with the larger one was obviously it's big. It carries a lot, or it can carry a lot of stuff, but it had to fit my shoes. So the idea is this is probably going to be a night out bag. And ladies, you know, at the end of the night, you know, those heels are done. They are expired. The clock struck 12. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go with the larger one because it has to fit my shoes. Now, I do not have a small foot. I am all the way a 9.5. So I brought out 2 pairs of my sandals just to show you. So when you open these up like this, now obviously I would have other stuff in it, but my sandals fit in here. So they fit. You know, for a night out, I can carry them and, you know, it's a win-win. Another thing that I don't think that I mentioned is that it did come with a strap. Again, I'm going to insert some footage here. The strap is very, very, very long. Now, it did come with the side. I don't know if you can see right here, but it kind of has, let me see. So if you look right here, they include these loops where you can tie a knot to the strap. Now, I already did the other side. You can't see. I'll insert some footage, but I already undid the other side. So it does come with a very, very long strap that you can wear over your shoulder or a crossbody. For reference, I am 5'8" and it falls right at my hip bone. Now, do I plan on wearing it as a crossbody? Probably not, but at the end of the night, you know, once the heels are off, who knows? You know, that's a nice little touch there. Alrighty, hey guys, this is the part of the video where I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some mod shots. I know the whole video is basically me sitting down, but here's the bag with me standing up. Again, I did mention I am 5'8", and I believe the original bag has 3 sizes, but the most popular are either the mini or the classic. So this would be the large size, which would be closest to the classic. So it does measure about 14.5 inches in length, about 5 inches in width. It's hard because this is a slouchy bag, but the best I got was about 8 inches in height and about an 8-inch opening. So with that being said, yes, I purchased these. You know what? I'm gonna make you click the link in the description box. So they were very, very, very nice price. I purchased them. I will say this, I did purchase them for about $50 and I bought 2 of them. Shipping was free and it was super, super, super fast. Again, these 2 Bottega Cloud dupes in the crinkle silver and the crinkle gold. Don't know when you guys are watching this. It is early December 2023 right now, so it may not make it for Christmas, but you might make it for New Year's, or who knows, just for your nights out coming up, hopefully. New Year's Eve, you know, all that jazz. So on that note, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. Also, if you would like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy the content, of course. That would really help me out a lot. And on that note, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.